Calico's Curious Kittens by Phyllis Limbacher Tildes.
Pumpkin, Ginger, Frisky, Binky, Patch, Puff, and Callie.
Calico's kittens are curious. They should be napping, but Ginger is in a bag, Pumpkin is in a drawer. Where is Frisky? In trouble. Uh-oh. Here comes Mama Calico. Ginger leaps out of the bag. Pumpkin jumps out of the drawer. Frisky needs a bath. What does Frisky see? Ginger and Pumpkin jump up to look. Up the curtains they go.
Come on, Puff.
Puff doesn't dare. Calico meows. Naughty kittens.
Crash, boom, bang.
Down they come, curtains and all. Where is Puff? Nap time, says Calico.
I'm not tired,
says Frisky. Frisky sneaks through the kitty door. Binky, Patch, and Callie follow him. Binky gets stuck, but Patch pushes him through. Frisky leads Binky, Patch, and Callie across the little bridge and across the lawn. Callie pounces on Patch. Binky jumps on Callie. Frisky climbs on top. Then one by one, they roll off. Patch follows Callie around a tree. Bees buzz around Binky.
What's this?
A dog! Frisky scoots under the shed. Patch hides under the bench. Binky runs under the wheelbarrow. The dog wants to play. He leaps over the bench. He jumps over the wheelbarrow.
Splash!
3 curious kittens creep too close. The dog licks each soggy kitten. But where is Callie?
Meow!
Callie calls from above. Hold on tight, Callie. Far below, the dog barks for help. Here comes Calico. Binky hides behind Frisky. Patch hides behind Binky. Calico climbs the tree to rescue Callie. The naughty kittens follow Mama back inside the house. They are finally ready for a nap. Hey, that was Rikki.
And Squishy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. Whee!